All right, I'm going to try to get some video coverage of something on the plants in my house. And I'm running the video, so right now it's all dark and black, but I have to set things up. Okay, so here we go. I don't know how I can get this to work, but I think they're aphids, but I am not sure. They're on all over our rose bush. I think I need to bring me some. Oh, that's disgusting. It's time to recruit a bunch of ladybugs, I think. That's insane how many there are. So, look at that. There's the little driplets on them. I think I remember some of these form little driplets, and I think, if I remember correctly, there's some kind of ant that feeds off of them. Very amazing. Now they're crawling on me. That's insane. It's really cool, though. Wow. All right, so last night I found a bunch of aphids all over my roses, and I'll show you some of the aphids that, see if I can get a good look at them. Oh yeah. Anyway, and I was trying to think, I know that I have to clean these up so you can kind of really see them there. It's just crazy how many there are. And I was thinking of trying to, get a pesticide or other ways of doing it, but I am aware that there are natural predators of these, and that would be the one of the good ones is the ladybug. And so I'm looking around, and I noticed so many of my aphids are gone even since last night. And then what do I find? Well, first of all, I find this. Whoops, she fell off. I found a ladybug, but more importantly, I found a bunch of ladybug larvae, and they are just chewing it up, and it's so cool to watch. Oh yeah, they're all over. I'll try to get one underneath here, underneath the microscope, and see if we can get it. Where did I just have? Oh, here he is. Okay. Isn't that awesome? It's kind of hard for me to get them centered. There he is. Eating aphids. That is so awesome. Very cool. It's hard to get this microscope oriented so that up and down is all the same here. Oh yeah, look at that. Is a cool looking guy. And there he is. There's my little, so awesome. Look at this one's almost eaten them all. Where is he? Oh, there he is. There he is. There's another one. Just destroying the aphids. Trying to crawl away on me. I don't blame them. They're voracious, though. That is so cool. Boy, my new heroes. It's my new superhero. Saving my roses. Oh, there's a couple of different versions of these. Oh man, they are just all over. This is interesting. I don't know if these are just at different cycles, but here's a couple. Got a different look to it. I gotta try to get it in focus. It's kind of hard for me to do this. Yeah, it's a totally different kind. And then this one's also different. It's got a different look to it too. Little different, but this one's just remarkably different. It's really cool. I don't know what makes them different. So this is one that's really bad. It's got a lot. Oh, and a lot of them are, these aphids are just disgusting. There's some that have wings. That is really cool and disgusting all in one breath. Anyway, I'm gonna let my little friends chew away. I think I won't have to worry about these things.